Okay, so these are directions for Tuesday. And I'm going to go into my Tuesday folder. So today's where you're actually going to start your journal. So you'll click this assignment, and just like always, it'll make you your own. And yours will say my document here, so be sure to click that. So you're all going to get your own set of these slides, and this will become your journal. So I started with these directions yesterday, but just be sure to put your name here first. That's just the first thing you have to do. Here's the directions. So this is the paragraph I read yesterday. We're going to document our experience. This is going to be an ongoing assignment each week. And each week you just need to choose 2 to 3 slides to fill out. 2 or 3, okay? There's going to be a lot to choose from, so don't get overwhelmed and feel like you need to do them all, because you definitely do not have to. Choosing just a couple. If you want and you have extra time, you may complete more than that, but that's completely optional. Also optional, you can personalize the slides if you want to change the theme, the color, the font, or if you want to add any sort of images. These can be pictures you take or clip art you find or whatever you want to do, but you totally don't have to bother if you want to just leave it as is. And if you ever need more room, you can just add another slide or change the font size. So as you click through, on the left-hand side, there's going to be the question or the prompt that you can choose. And then on the right-hand side, you'll be able to double click and type. So if I get out of presentation mode here, you can click there and you'll be able to type your response. So here's an example of one. So what are you already sick of? So some examples you could start your sentence with, now more than ever we have to blank, blank, blank. Or washing your hands super often. Or certain memes or jokes you've seen on the internet like 1,000 times. So like Miss Massa, I'm a little sick of, I don't know, the Tiger King was funny. I'm a little sick of the memes, but I'm still laughing. I'm definitely sick of washing my hands. They're getting super dry and cracking. So it can be anything like that. And then, there's a ton, okay? What's your typical day like? Some deeper thoughts, okay? So what I would first do is just scroll through them, okay? I just want to point out a couple that might be a little bit more difficult to address. And again, you choose your own, so you totally don't have to do these ones that might feel a little bit more difficult. So this one, titled Racism, and it does say trigger warning here. It's about the racism that Asian Americans are experiencing. So if that's just too much for you right now, you do not have to do it. And then this one, again, here it says it's a little bit heavy. This is just talking about how our communities already have it set up to where certain people are underserved, and how this pandemic just really highlights that. So if you want to tackle that, please do. Again, if it's too much, do not. You can go to the, lighter ones that might be a little bit more fun. And as you can see, there's, 30-ish questions here, or 26 or so. I'm only asking you to choose 2 or 3 today. So pick 2 or 3 to answer, and then you're done. And we'll be coming back to this once or twice a week for the next 3 weeks for you to, again, choose a couple more. Remember, I have my office hours, and you can always Schoology message me if you're just, confused.